Forest approaches every working day the same since trading commenced in 2002. This starts by having the right team with the right attitude, right from the beginning. Combined with our extensive fleet and high-performance equipment, we install confidence through exceeding our customers' expectations. Our staff are continually developing their skills through training, which creates a safe working environment and allows Forest to provide a service based around our core values: integrity, alliance, performance. Integrity, the backbone of our business. Alliance, achieving together. Performance, completing jobs on time and on budget. foresttreeservice.com.au